Hello everyone. In the lesson today we need to answer a very important question. What is the momentary agreement between buyers and sellers? Well, in the market there are three groups of traders. There are buyers, sellers, and the undecided traders. Undecided traders. Let's check a hypothetical code of what we see every day on the trading screens. Let's imagine that we have an instrument which might be a stock, ETF, currency, and so on, called XYZ. Let's also say that this instrument is liquid and it has bids and offers at any given time during the trading session. Bid is what a buyer offers for his stocks. It's right here, bid, and let's put here ask. Again, bid is what a buyer offers for his stocks, and ask is what a seller asks for his stocks. Sorry. Let's put again some prices here and quantities. Let's say that the first bid is $11 and the quantity is 1,000 shares, and let's say that the first ask is $12 and the quantity is 1,000 shares. Well, buyers and sellers are always in conflict. The buyer wants to buy as low as possible and the seller wants to sell as high as possible. If the buyer insists to buy at 11, and or if the seller insist to sell at 12, what will happen? Well, nothing will happen, and no trade will take place, means no price, right? Okay, let's go to another point. The buyer and the sellers have some choices here. The buyer choices is that the buyer can wait. Let's write here again the bid and ask. This is the bid, this is an ask, is $11, and this is $12. The buyer can wait for the price to come down to his bid price, or the buyer may offer to pay more to the seller and buy his quantity at the seller's price, which is 12. So the buyer can wait or can be eager. Okay, what about the seller? Again, the seller's choices are that he may wait for the price to rise to his offer price, which is 12, or the seller can sell his stocks at the buyer's price, which is 11. So the other choice is to be eager. So the eager buyer here, accepts the seller's price. He wants to buy the stock at the seller's price, which is 12, and the eager seller agrees to sell cheap and accept the buyer's terms. So in brief, a trade occurs only when there is a momentary agreement between the buyer and the seller. Thank you so much.